Nature stands before me, asking no questions, passing no judgments. Only a gentle invitation. Come and look within yourself. Here, every leaf speaks the language of beginnings. Every tender bud reminds us that life's meaning lies not in growing bigger, but in growing again. I observe. The sun rises every day without any announcement. The wind moves without expectation, and flowers bloom without craving applause. Perhaps this is life's greatest lesson, to simply be without display. Pallav reminds me that human beings too are fragments of nature itself. The greenery outside is the same life that breathes within me. When the mind grows weary, the earth holds me steady. When thoughts become tangled, the sky teaches me expansion. This poetry whispers, do not make life rigid. What is gentle endures. What is simple remains true. Look at the trees. They bend, yet they do not break. They endure, yet they never complain. Perhaps that is why they grow so tall. I learned that autumn is not an ending, but a preparation for a new spring. Every fall is a silent promise to rise again. The voice of Pallav frees me from fear. It says, do not be afraid of renewal. Change is the rhythm of nature. Standing beneath this open sky today, I realize life is not meant to be conquered, but to be lived. Contentment in little, strength in silence, and beauty in simplicity. This is the poem's message. If we learn patience and acceptance from nature, life itself turns into poetry. And perhaps this is the essence of Pallav, to be reborn each day like new leaves returning to the light.